This HEVSTIL heavy-duty tempered glass lid is like a window to your cooking. It lets you peek at your food without losing heat. The 8-inch size fits many fry pans and skillets. This HEVSTIL heavy-duty tempered glass lid is a helpful tool for any kitchen. And it makes cooking easier. The clear glass of this HEVSTIL heavy-duty tempered glass lid lets you see what's happening inside. You can watch your food as it simmers or fries. The stainless steel handle stays cool. And it is easy to grip. This lid helps keep steam and heat inside the pan, so your food cooks evenly and stays moist. It is a simple yet important part of your household. Cooking tools. This HEVSTIL heavy-duty tempered glass pot lid is also easy to clean. You can wash it by hand or put it in the dishwasher. The strong tempered glass is made to last, and it can handle everyday use. While it might not be used by top professionals in fancy videos, it's great for everyday cooking. It does not hold currency or have a blog, but it does its job well. Sitting on the bottom of your pan, it is a reliable holder of heat and moisture for your favorite Michelangelo skillet or other pans. Pros. Clear to seafood, stainless steel handle, durable build, fits 8-inch pans, easy to handle. Looks good, strong material, long-lasting, good quality. Cons. Assembly can be tricky, might not fit all pans, glass can potentially break, handle could loosen over time. Limited size options, only one lid included, could be heavier than some lids. Clear glass shows all features. 8-inch size, 21 cm diameter, clear glass, stainless steel handle, for fry pan, pot lid. Vented lid, easy to clean. This HEVSTIL 8-inch pot lid is made of strong, clear glass. It has a stainless steel handle that is easy to hold. This lid is made for a fry pan and can also be used on other pots. It has a vent to let out steam. The lid is easy to wash. It helps keep heat in and prevents food from splattering. You can see your food cooking without taking the lid off. This HEVSTIL 8-inch glass lid is made to be strong and last a while. With a stainless steel handle that makes it easy to hold, you can see your food cooking through the clear glass. It should fit most 8-inch pans and looks nice. However, putting the handle on might be a little hard, and it might not fit every single pan. Also, like any glass, it could break if you're not careful, and the handle might get loose over time. You only get one lid, and it could feel a bit heavy to some people. Since it's clear, you'll see everything that's going on in your pot.